Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel once again. Thanks for tuning in today to watch our video. If you're new here and you like my content, do not hesitate to subscribe. On this channel we do more of cooking recipes, hair tutorials, reviews. So if you like any of this content, do not forget to subscribe. But if you want only cooking recipes, please, I'll be leaving a link in the description box. That is my cooking channel. Do not forget to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, you are amazing and thanks for always being there for me. So in today's video, we are reviewing false locks, which is from DESIRE4HAIR. Their name alone tells a lot. If you see their products, you always desire to buy from them. They serve good quality and affordable products. That is why their name is DESIRE4HAIR. That is just by the way. So I recommend this hair for you to make a purchase. It is 36 inches, 6 packs, and I got this $59.99. Hooray! You can see it is affordable. Yes, and I recommend this for you to make a purchase. I'll be leaving their name and everything in the description box. Please do not forget to click on it and visit them. DESIRE4HAIR, they serve quality and affordable products, which when you see, you desire to buy from them. Thanks for tuning in once again, and I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Do not forget to subscribe.
Duck on this music. Let's go. this music. Let's go. This music. Lina.
watching. Always remember that without you, this channel will never exist. So take good